Okay, if you've been following, you obviously haven't gone anywhere. Still got the same miles. I had two projects today. Everything got delivered the same day. So the second project is I got a bed liner. I mean, not a bed liner, a bed cover. Of course, I got a 6'4" bed. So what I wanted, I used the whole bed semi-frequently. So I wanted something I could easily take off, you know, without a whole lot of extra hardware, but was, you know, at least kept an honest man from being a thief. So let me show it to you real quick. There it is back here. So I'm gonna unpack it, and I'll get right back with you, and we'll see how it goes on. Okay, I bought this from TunoCovers.com. It was on sale. So this is what it is. What brand is that? Truck Hero, a rugged liner. I wanted something hard. I was a little concerned. I didn't see any weather stripping in it, but this one has it put on the front here already. So we'll see how that works. I kind of do like these extra straps here just to hook it up there. Just kind of an extra safety measure. But the only reason I was concerned about the weather stripping is if you look at see if I can zoom in here. If you look at the bed, there's a gap here between this and the liner. And it's a small enough gap for water to come through. So we'll see how it works. If I'm getting water down there, I'll just probably take a piece of weather stripping and stick it under this little gap just to keep water from going that way. But we'll see how it works. Okay, I'm gonna see if I can put this bad boy on. Okay, this one just sits on top. So I pushed it all the way up to be even with the bedside protectors there. And then supposed to roll it out and see how it fits on the back end, and then do any adjustments back there. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, let me hop down. Okay, so as you see, probably need to come back a little bit. So I'm gonna do just a minor adjustment here, and then I'll come back to you. Okay, I got it about lined up as good as I'm gonna get, I think. So there's still a gap here right underneath, and it's bigger than I thought it was. So I don't know if I might need to cut that, or just probably go buy me some weather stripping and put underneath it, because that's quite a big gap. There's definitely gonna get some rain in there. But anyway, just to gently fold it back up. And then come under here and attach the brackets. So as soon as I get everything attached, I'll be back. Okay, there's one tip here. They got this little thing here holding the clamps on, and the problem is the clamp is now underneath the bed rail, so I gotta lift it up, pull it back, see if I can get it down. There we go. Now I got it down, but now the bed's all out of whack, so I gotta go back up top and fix it. And now we just fold it back. And let's make sure these are out. And probably have to do a little adjustment on these, we'll see. Yeah, so you just twist it to make it a little tighter. That's looser. Need to make sure when it's down like this, it's about right there. So when you loosen it, it goes up under and you clamp it down. There we go. Okay, there it is. Shut that. Creates a little bit of a seal there. It's not perfect. It doesn't have to be perfect, but I'm just not happy with this up in here. I don't know if you can see it or not. Let me get the camera at the right angle. It's just got a gap right there. So I'm gonna have to buy some kind of weather stripping to put in there because that's just gonna let in too much water, I know it. Anyway, not a bad looking cover. All right, that's it. Remember, deserve's got nothing to do with it. I found me some weather stripping, so I didn't have to go buy any. I think it's pretty good. It'll work for a while anyway. If it doesn't, I just have to go buy something better. And that was for this cover that I put on the truck. If you look up there, you can see the light shining through. They didn't send any weather stripping for that, and the side caps elevated just enough to leave that opening, and I don't want water to come gushing in when I'm driving. So anyway, I'm gonna put that on. I'm not gonna show it to you. I just wanted to update you on the problem I had when I installed this cover. It's a rugged liner from Truck Hero. So just to let you know, before you do it, you know, rub down the where it connects, up there where it connects, a little isopropyl alcohol. That'll make this 3M tape stick pretty good. So I'll take a quick picture of it when I'm finished. Well, I did have just enough to go across. Now you want to get it as close to the edge as you can, and I had just enough to kind of put a piece right up here, and it won't be waterproof, but it's a lot more watertight. All right, I got everything back together. No light coming through the bulkhead, so I think everything's gonna be okay. It's probably not waterproof, but I don't think any of these things are truly waterproof. They say they are, but they don't live where I do, where you get 60 inches of rain a year. You find out not much is waterproof. Okay, I think the bed overall looks pretty good. I like the cover. Have a good one.